Welcome, in front of me is DELL 7320 Detachable, and in this video I will show you how to install drivers for this device. So the easiest way to detect and install all the required driver updates is to install the DELL Support Assist application. So first of all, connect to the internet, then open your web browser and search for DELL Support Assistant application. You'll see the original site like this, and the original site of DELL. So just enter it. Let me translate it for you. Select Support Assist for home PCs. Scroll down and select Download Support Assist. Open the installation file, click Yes, and simply wait until the application installs on your PC. And once the installation is complete, wait for the application to run on your PC. This might also take a while. Okay. And in the following window, select the Update Software option, and once you tap on it, it's located right here. Select Start and wait for the application to check if you have some driver updates for your PC, and then once the check is performed, you'll be able to install all of them, or maybe just the ones that you want to. So let us wait for another while. And when the scan is ended, you can check View Updates right here and check what updates you have to install. So to do that, just click Install and wait until the updates are downloaded. And sometimes you'll have to restart your PC after the updates are installed. You'll be notified if you have to. They will be downloaded and installed automatically. So as you can see, I just updated all the drivers, and that's all for this video. So thank you for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.